This project, folks, we're cutting and notching like 4 trees, and the rest of this ditch has to be cleaned out. So stay tuned and watch some action. I'm gonna drop this sugar maple right now.
Slow and steady. There we go. Let's see. Let's hope it doesn't fall on the playhouse. We got stuck on another house. Precision work, craftsmanship, professionalism. And there we go. Another safe chop and drop by Joe and Johnny.
I've got the Husqvarna 550 out. I love that saw. That saw rips. That is a very good saw for firewood, professional arborists, you name it. That is the saw to get. Husqvarna 550 XP. Take care of it, it'll take care of you. You can get it up to a 20-inch bar, but it'll still make it rip. But it'll just lower the torque a little bit. But you want a 16 or 18 on there. That thing with the 16 is considered a dangerous weapon. So we're getting there. Got one more tree to drop. I thought we were going to drop this maple here first, but we dropped that white ash first. We'll drop the hard maple here in a second. Start cleaning that ditch where them log piles are stacked. Clobbered down this morning with Husqvarna 372. That's a bad boy right there too. This will cut down anything. Look at that nice grain white ash. So you could tell by how old the tree is, obviously, if you count every single one of these rings. It'll tell you the age of the tree. You always want to start from the outside and go towards the core. Getting a pile going. It's coming over with another log. There's several more. We'll get an after effect here. So, I think we're gonna pull this out a little bit. Still got a couple logs to get out of there and pull all them branches out. And I'll buck it up real quick. Watch some action. Should have brought in the stand-up mini loader, but
he goes.
This much far through, you don't want to do it. Oh, it's not.